ready to go beyond the edge. Introducing Osmo Action 3, an ultra-durable, professional-grade action camera designed to go beyond limits, anywhere you find them. Stay ready for any moment with a battery that charges fast and delivers stable performance. Real cold. It's recording time and lets you shoot for more than 90 minutes. Your temperature sensor provides more accurate color underwater and during transitions. Problem: hydrophobic screens mean you can still control the camera seamlessly. A smart charging case lets you power up fast and check your levels with just a glance. It's ready to go beyond the edge.